I'll guide you through how to link a bank account to PayPal without the hassle of verification issues or failed transfers. If you're looking to securely link your financial accounts or you want to easily transfer money to and from your PayPal balance and you need to connect a bank account to your PayPal, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first and most important thing to do is make sure the names on both accounts match exactly. If they don't, the transfer will fail. There are two primary ways to do this depending on your bank and your personal preference. The first method is instant linking. This is the fastest and easiest method. PayPal uses the third-party service to instantly and securely verify your account. Here's how. On a web browser, go to the PayPal website at paypal.com and log in to your PayPal account. Go to the Wallet section and click Link a Bank Account. Select your bank from the list and log in using your bank's online credentials. The account will be linked immediately. For mobile users, open the PayPal app and tap the wallet icon. Tap the plus sign next to Banks and Cards, select Banks, and follow the same instant linking process. The next method is manual linking. This method is a reliable alternative if you don't want to share your online banking login. Here's how. Follow the same steps as instant linking, but instead look for the option that says Link your bank another way or Link manually. You'll enter your bank's routing and account numbers. PayPal will send two small deposits of less than $1 each to your bank account within a few business days to verify that you own the account. Once you see the deposits on your bank statement, you'll need to return to your PayPal account to complete the process. This is what you will see and click. Sign into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. In your list of linked banks, you will see the account you recently added. It will likely have a status next to it such as Ready to Confirm or a message prompting you to verify it. Click on this bank account. Carefully enter the transaction codes for the deposit amounts in the field. Click the Submit or Confirm button. If the details are correct, your bank account will be fully verified and you can now use it to add or withdraw funds. Remember, the most common reason for failure is a mismatch between the name on your PayPal account and your bank account. Be aware that a single bank account can only be linked to a maximum of 3 PayPal accounts over its lifetime. If you use a prepaid or online-only bank, it might not be compatible with PayPal. Now that you've learned how to link a bank account to PayPal, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more PayPal video tutorials. Thanks for watching.